Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do not filter direct messages on your account on Discord easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click privacy and safety, and here as you see you will find do not filter direct messages. Click on it, and that's it for today. That's how to do not filter direct messages on your account on Discord easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.